Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of IdeaCity. We're going to start things off with some music. We are Bowser and Blue. We're from Montreal. So we'd like to start off with the greeting everybody uses in Montreal.
Just getting my pick.
You ready?
Pocket. Yeah, I just got to find my pick.
Et tout prêt?
Oh, and I dropped one. Okay. Comes from Abbey Road Studios. Yeah.
Oh.
All right. In Israel, they say shalom. In Italy, it's ciao. In Spain, they holler hola. In Hong Kong, it's ni hao. Australians say g'day, mate. It's kalimera if you're Greek. But in Montreal, our greeting is totally unique. 2, 3, 4. From Saint Denis, Saint Denis to Roogie Guy, everyone will greet you with a bonjour hi. Even in a place where they serve steak and kidney pie, it's not hello hello in Montreal, it's bonjour hi. It surely would be frowned on in the palace at Versailles, but everywhere in Montreal it's bonjour hi. Your name may not be Hyman, but that's not the reason why. In Montreal we greet you with a bonjour hi. It's how we all endeavor to completely satisfy. When it comes to being lingual, everybody's by. Bonjour, hi. Bonjour, hi.
Like bonjour, hi.
Once a drunken lady put her hand upon my thigh and whispered in my ear a soggy bonjour, hi. I said, come off it, Pauline, I'm a married guy, but I appreciate the effort, so bonjour, hi. It must be something leaking in the water supply that makes everyone in Montreal say bonjour, hi. But marijuana's legal now to own and smoke and buy, so it isn't the water, we're really bonjour, hi.
Bonjour, hi.
Bonjour, hi. Salut, bye.
You know, there's an election coming up, a federal election, and Justin is running again, I believe, if he makes it to September or whenever it is. And what we noticed in the last election is how important Jean Chrétien was to the election of Justin Trudeau out there on the campaign trail.
Hello.
Mr. Chrétien, you're here.
Hello.
Now, listen, all that time you were out there helping get Justin elected, I was wondering, what was your opinion on his opinion of marijuana?
Well, you know, everybody said that Justin Trudeau is an example of what happens when you smoke pot. But Stephen Harper is an example of what happens when you don't. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Conservatives in Canada do not like Justin T. They do not like his politics or his pedigree. But Justin kept his promise by legalizing pot. Is there somewhere we can smoke it? Unfortunately not. His energy and feelings he often can't restrain. He sometimes opens mouth before engaging brain. He could fix the pipeline problem, it wouldn't take him long. Just tell the folks in BC it's not a pipe, it's a bomb. We'll trust in Justin Trudeau, he's the man for me, the nemesis of Tories and the NDP. With Trudeau as Prime Minister, it's getting kind of strange. If you've been smoking since the 60s, it seems like nothing's changed. He looks good with his shirt off, but everyone can tell his heart is in the right place and his nipples are as well. Stephen Harper's party, he left it on the skids, 'cause when he took his shirt off it would frighten all the kids. Justin's first attempts at dating, I'll bet they did not thrive. It's hard to get romantic growing up on Sussex Drive. The girls would tell him, Justin, just so there's no doubt, we can cuddle-duddle, but fuddle-duddle is out. We'll trust in Justin Trudeau to show us what he'll do. Perhaps one day he'll even look good in a canoe. His father was a rascal, he took life as it comes. He did not like kissing babies, but he liked to kiss their mums. We put our trust in Justin. Justin is our man. If anyone can lead this country, maybe Justin can. Let's all hope that Justin isn't just a pretty face, and he won't be like Chris Hadfield and spend too much time in space.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, Canada became famous for marijuana long before Justin. In the 1998 Winter Olympics, I don't know if you can recall that, in Nagano, Japan.
We didn't call it our marijuana.
You didn't call it marijuana?
No.
What did you call it?
You know.
You call pot, grass, Mary Jane, reefer?
No, we called it ear.
Ear?
Yeah.
The Canadian psychedelic snowboarding team. The Canadian psychedelic snowboarding team. At the Winter Olympics, wild and free. The mountains were high and so were we. We don't remember, we don't really care. If you can remember the Olympics, you weren't really there. Because when they told us to go for the gold, we thought it meant like something that could be rolled. It's a difficult skill that we've honed. We should get a special medal just for doing it stoned. The Spice Girls are making a lot of noise. But are you ready for the Herbal Boys? I tested positively, but I couldn't help it, you see. You get that way just by living in BC. The Canadian psychedelic snowboarding team. The Canadian psychedelic snowboarding team. Thank you.